Renascor is committed to powering the clean energy transition through the development in Australia of a vertically integrated graphite mine and manufacturing operation to produce sustainable and ethically sourced battery anode material for the lithium-ion battery market. Renascor's operation will combine the Sivia graphite deposit in South Australia, the largest reported graphite reserve outside of Africa, and a processing facility in South Australia to manufacture purified spherical graphite through Renascor's eco-friendly purification process. Renascor's state-of-the-art operation will manufacture battery anode material for export to Asia, Europe and North America, using a more environmentally responsible process that avoids the use of hydrofluoric acid, HF, providing a greener alternative to the HF technique that currently predominates. In addition to meeting the highest environmental, social and governance standards, Renascor expects to be amongst the lowest cost producers of battery anode material globally as a result of the favourable geology and scale of the Sivia resource and its strategic location in Australia. With low-cost operations and enviable ESG standards, Renascor is aiming to become a strategic supplier to the world's leading battery and automotive manufacturers, providing a high-performance and reliable 100% Australian-made advanced graphite material that promotes sustainability and supply chain traceability. Renascor Resources, powering clean energy.